Want to clear your search history on Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear your search history on Instagram. Now let's get started. To clear your Instagram search history, open the Instagram app and tap the search icon at the bottom. Then tap the search bar at the top. Tap See All to see all of your recent searches. To delete individual items, tap the X next to the search items you want to delete. Deleting these from your search history will affect your Instagram algorithm so that these topics won't come up as much in your feed or explore page. If you want to clear your entire search history, tap Clear All in the top right corner. To confirm, tap Clear All in the pop-up window. That's all it takes to clear your search history on Instagram. Want to reset your Instagram Explore page? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.